In this video on government schemes for senior citizens, we are driven by a simple yet profound realization: many elders in India aren't aware of the support available to them. At MIT World Peace University, my students have taken up the challenge as part of their co-creation activity to bridge this gap. Through dedicated research, they've crafted this video to shed light on these vital resources. Join us as we empower our elders with knowledge and ensure that no senior citizen is left uninformed or overlooked. Introduction to the topic: the Indian government's commitment to supporting senior citizens. Overview of the wide range of schemes and initiatives available. Key aspects covered: financial security, healthcare, housing, and social welfare. Financial assistance and insurance schemes. Pension programs. Old age pension. Indira Gandhi National Old Age Pension. Monthly pension benefits provided by the government to senior citizens. Insurance coverage. Pradhan Mantri Vaya Vandana Yojana offers guaranteed returns on investments and life insurance for senior citizens. Subsidies and discounts. Discounts on travel, utilities, and services. Senior citizens can avail discounts on various services to alleviate their financial burden. Savings and pension schemes. Senior Citizen Savings Scheme. High interest rate savings account with flexible withdrawal options. Pradhan Mantri Vaya Vandana Yojana. Government-backed pension scheme offering guaranteed returns and financial security. National Pension System (NPS). Retirement savings scheme enabling senior citizens to invest for their future. Atal Pension Yojana provides guaranteed minimum pension based on contributions made during working years. Healthcare and medical benefits. Subsidized healthcare. Senior citizens can access affordable medical care through programs like Ayushman Bharat and Jan Aushadhi Kandras. Discounted medicines. The government offers discounts on essential medicines and healthcare services for the elderly, ensuring affordability and accessibility to healthcare. Tax benefits and concessions. Tax exemptions. Senior citizens can avail higher tax exemptions and deductions on various income sources, reducing their tax liabilities and enhancing their financial well-being. Discounts and rebates. The government offers discounts on public transportation, utility bills, and other services for the elderly, easing their financial burden and promoting affordability. Property tax relief. Senior citizens can claim reduced property tax rates and exemptions on their homes, providing additional financial relief and security for their housing needs. Comprehensive support. The Indian government schemes for senior citizens cover a wide range of needs, including financial security, healthcare, and social welfare, ensuring holistic support for the elderly population. Refer these videos. Picture this: you're a senior citizen in India, and you're starting to feel the wear and tear of time on your body. But afraid not, because the government's got your back, literally. With the Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, a PMJ, it's like having a superhero team of doctors and specialists ready to swoop in and take care of you whenever you need it. No need to worry about those hefty medical bills either. The government's got that covered too. And let's not forget about those specialized geriatric care facilities sprinkled all over the country. They're like havens of care and comfort, designed specifically to cater to the unique needs of our seniors. Whether it's medical services, rehabilitation programs, or just a friendly face to chat with, these centers have it all. Now, onto the financial side of things. Imagine receiving a steady stream of income every month, courtesy of the Indira Gandhi National Old Age Pension Scheme. It's like having a safety net to fall back on, ensuring you can still enjoy life without constantly worrying about money. Plus, who doesn't love a good discount? Senior citizens get all sorts of perks, from subsidized utilities to discounted transportation and even affordable housing options. It's like getting VIP treatment wherever you go. But it's not just about physical and financial support, it's also about staying connected and engaged with the world around you. That's where daycare centers and residential care facilities come in. They're not just places to stay, they're communities where you can socialize, stay active, and feel like you belong. So, there you have it, a comprehensive support system that's as comforting as a warm hug from a loved one. Our government is truly looking out for our seniors, ensuring they can live their golden years with dignity, grace, and plenty of smiles. And hey, if you want to learn more about these amazing schemes, why not check out some informative YouTube videos? They're like a treasure trove of knowledge, just waiting to be explored. Alright, folks, now that we've covered some serious ground on how the Indian government is taking care of our senior citizens, let's shift gears a bit and explore another crucial aspect of their support system: transportation. Picture this: India's senior citizens, a significant and growing portion of the population, often rely on public transportation to meet their daily needs. But navigating the bustling streets or winding roads can be challenging as they age. That's where the government steps in with a variety of transport schemes designed specifically for our elders. At the national level, the Indian government has introduced several initiatives to assist senior citizens, including discounted fares on public buses, trains, and airlines. These schemes aim to improve mobility and accessibility, ensuring our seniors can affordably and conveniently access essential services while maintaining their independence. But wait, it gets even better. Here in Maharashtra, we've got our own set of tailored schemes to cater to the unique needs of our senior population. From free or heavily subsidized rides on public transport to specialized shuttle services and even door-to-door pickups, the government is pulling out all the stops to make sure our seniors can get where they need to go without any hassle. Now that we've covered the basics, let's dive into the eligibility criteria for these transport schemes. First up, age requirement. Most senior citizen transport schemes in India have a minimum age requirement, typically ranging from 60 to 65 years old, depending on the specific program and state regulations. Next, income threshold. Some schemes may also have an income threshold to limit eligibility to seniors within a certain income range, ensuring the benefits reach those most in need. Proof of identity is another key criterion. Senior citizens are generally required to provide valid identification documents, such as a government-issued ID card or proof of age, to avail of the transport scheme benefits. And let's not forget residency criteria. Certain state-specific schemes may have residency requirements, ensuring that transport assistance is primarily directed towards seniors residing within the respective state or region. Now let's talk about the types of transport assistance provided. Discounted fares are one of the most common forms of assistance, with seniors enjoying discounts on buses, trains, and even domestic flights. Some lucky seniors may even get to travel for free. Some state governments offer schemes that provide free or heavily subsidized travel on select public transportation services. And for those who need a little extra help, specialized transport services have been established, offering door-to-door pickup and drop-off, as well as comfortable and accessible vehicles to cater to mobility needs. And there's also door-to-door services are here to save the day. Picture a friendly driver pulling up to your doorstep in a comfortable vehicle equipped with all the essentials for a smooth ride. From spacious interiors to wheelchair ramps, they've got everything covered. Plus, these services operate on a scheduled basis, so you can plan your trips ahead of time and rely on consistent pickup and drop-off times. With safety and convenience as their top priorities, door-to-door services make every journey a breeze for our seniors, ensuring they can get where they need to go without any hassle. But of course, it's not all smooth sailing. We've got challenges to overcome, like ensuring seniors are aware of these schemes and can access them easily. Plus, we need to make sure these services reach every corner of Maharashtra, from the bustling cities to the quiet villages. So, what's the bottom line? These transport schemes aren't just about getting from point A to point B, they're about empowerment, independence, and staying connected with our communities. And if you're as passionate about supporting our elders as we are, don't forget to check out these links given in the description, and make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us on this journey to make Maharashtra a better place for all. Until next time, keep on riding, keep on exploring, and keep on spreading the love.